Hold on, come here.
That's not the one.
I know.
All right. Now, as you see, we are in the wilds of Tacoma. There's lots of bees.
I can't see shit. Okay.
Oh, look, there's a paddle boarder.
Where?
Look at that shit down there. You see him?
Well, I don't know. It's in super view, so who knows?
No, I want you to see with your own
I see him.
face.
I see with my own
face. I don't
face.
care about what Gideon sees. I care about what you see. Oh, look,
Come
somebody
on,
tied a
Gideon.
little...
Oh, this is
thing to a
cute.
tree. Let's take a picture. Hold on, wait. Let me grab my phone.
It says, "Love
More,
worry less. Happy Valentine's." Instagram, rainy day girl.
That's weird. Hold on, wait. Okay. I dig it. Thanks.
Mm-hmm. There you go.
I like trail walking. I like walking in the park.
Is it through there?
Yeah. Oh, I mean, it's either there or down here further.
Hold on, come here.
What's wrong?
I don't know. I think there are bugs.
Well, probably, but... Okay, I'm a bigger puss than you are, and I made it.
Nature! No, this definitely isn't the spot.
No, it isn't.
Something just made my hand itch. Oh.
It's probably just something lightly touching it. It's a non-nature goal. We're gonna go that way. Okay, let's go back the way we came. So it hurts. God, I love
Tree.
to live. The only place I would really trade this for is like
California, I know.
Yeah,
God, it's really bright.
it's the same type of like place in California, and
Just
you know Mama
nicer.
can't afford that.
Just like nicer weather really is all.
Basically, yeah. I'd want to live in a beach town or close to the beach.
Okay. And we traverse back through the... Ow. Oh.
The non-nature doer.
It's a little chilly in the shade.
Yeah, it is.
I wonder if someone's in our spot. I don't kill. Well, apparently we're going in here.
Yep, we are.
Was this it?
I don't know. Maybe. Put your arms up in front of your head and walk through.
I can't. I'm carrying a stick.
Well, it'll be like the Blair Witch Project. Yes,
Beer. The other one had a better view.
this is the spot though.
God, people litter so much. It really irks me.
Yeah, tell me what it is. Okay, I'm gonna take a video for DJ.
Okay.
Darren, where are you? You could be here with us. Oh, look how pretty that is. Us. Two of us.
And the GoPro.
And the GoPro. You could be having an adventure with us. What are you doing? Are you at work? You shouldn't be at work. Why are you at work?
Okay. I think you're good. Oh man, it's getting bright.